National Typewriter Day is June 23rd. On this day, we recognize the legacy of one of history's most influential writing tools. Long before computers and smartphones, typewriters helped authors, journalists, students, and professionals communicate ideas, tell stories, and preserve history. One of the best ways to celebrate International Typewriter Day is to sit down at a typewriter and create something meaningful. Write a poem, begin a short story, draft a letter to a friend, or simply take time to reflect the written word. For those interested in the culture and community surrounding these remarkable machines, the documentary California Typewriter offers a thoughtful look at the people who continue to use, collect, and appreciate typewriters today. I invite you to join the conversation. What do you enjoy most about typewriters? What was your favorite typewriter model? What is your favorite memory involving a typewriter? And how do you plan to celebrate International Typewriter Day? Share your thoughts, experiences, and photos in the comments. We look forward to hearing your stories and celebrating the art of writing together.